दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका फिर से मेरे इस यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। टू प्रूव सेट A इक्वल्स टू LG, इट इज इनफ टू प्रूव दैट आर्बिट्ररी मेंबर ऑफ A कैन बी जनरेटेड बाय द ग्रामर G। ऑप्शन बी, इट इज इनफ टू प्रूव दैट आर्बिट्ररी स्ट्रिंग जनरेटेड बाय G बिलोंग टू सेट A। बोथ द above comment LA and B are to be proved, either of the above. Option A, to prove that set A equals to LG, where A is the set of string generated by context free grammar G, we need to show that every string in A can be generated by G and every string generated by G is in A. Let's analyze the option. Option A, it is enough to prove that arbitrary member of A can be generated by the grammar G. This statement is partially correct if every arbitrary member of A can be indeed be generated by G. It ensures that LG subset A, but it does not necessarily prove that A subset LG. Therefore, this statement alone is not enough. Option B, it is enough to prove that arbitrary string generated by G belongs to set A. Similarly, this statement is also partially correct. If every string generated by G to belong A, it ensures that A subset LG. But it does not necessarily prove that LG subset A. Therefore, this statement alone is not enough. Option C, both the above comment A and B are to be proved. This option is correct. To prove that A, LG, we need to establish both direction LG subset A and A subset LG. Therefore, we need to prove both statement mentioned in option A and B. Option D, either of the above comments A or B is to be proved. This option is incorrect because proving only one of the statement mentioned in option A or B insufficient to establish A equals to LG. Both statements need to be proved. Therefore, option C is correct. Thank you.